If you lost everything today and had to start over from scratch, what would be your exact plan to make your first $1 million in the next 12 months? Most people have no ideas, but I do. And today I'm giving you my personal 5-step blueprint for 2025. This isn't theory, this is the plan. Hi, I'm Korianne, and I teach women how to build wealth and create passive income through real estate and smart investing. If you are new here, welcome. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. We are talking about how to build a 7-figure net worth, starting now. The financial world is changing faster than ever, and the strategy that worked 5 years ago already outdated. Sticking to the old way is a guaranteed plan to fail behind. This plan is for your path forward. Let's get into it. Step number 1, get clear on your why and your vision. Before you make a single dollar, you need to know why you are doing it. I want to be a millionaire. It's a weak goal. It won't get you out of bed on the tough day. But I want to have the freedom to travel with my family, quit the job that's burning me out, and build a legacy of generosity. That is a vision. Your vision is your fuel. What does that life look like? Feel like? Who is with you? You need to get so crystal clear on that is feel real. My challenge to you right now is to write down 3 non-negotiables for your $1 million life. Freedom of time, a beautiful home for your family, the ability to fund your children's college fund, or the ability to fund a good cause. This why is the foundation. Without it, the first obstacle will stop you cold. Put your number 1 why in the comment below. I want to see what drives you. Step number 2 is build multiple streams of income, starting with real estate. Okay, vision is set. Now for the engine. We are not saving our way to $1 million. We are building our way there with income streams. And the most powerful place to start is real estate. Why? Because leverage. You can control 400,000 assets with just 10 to 20% down. You cannot do that with equity investment in the stock market. In 2025, plan would start with a house hack or small multifamily property. Live in one unit, rent out the others. This immediately slash your biggest expense, housing, and turn it into an income source. This first property is your launch path. From there is about velocity. I have used the BIRD method: buy, rehab, rent, refinance, repeat. You buy a distressed property, force appreciation through renovations, and then refinance to pull out your initial capital back out. That money then goes into the next deals. This is how you scale your portfolio without waiting years to save up for another down payment. The goal is to get that first cash flowing asset within the next 12 months. The step number 3 is learn fast. Use smart leverage and technology. The game in 2025 is won with speed. You cannot afford a long learning curve. You need to become an expert fast. I'm talking about dedicating 8 to 10 hours per week to learning, podcasts during your commute, audiobooks, and most importantly, mentorship from people who are where you want to be. But the real accelerator is leverage. I don't just mean money. The most successful people leverage. A real estate agent, a property manager, a mentor, or a real estate CPA. Other people temps, a virtual assistant to handle research, a contractor to manage renovations. You cannot do it all yourself. Number 3 is using technology. This is a 2025 secret weapons. Use AI tools to analyze market trend. Use property management software like AppFolio or Tenant Cloud from day one. Use social media to find off-market deals. If you are not using text, you are choosing to move slower than everyone else. Step number 4 is create a personal brand to empower women. This is a step that separates six-figure earners from seven-figures empire builders. As you learn, you need to document and share your journey. Start a simple Instagram account, a blog, or even a YouTube channel like this one. Why? 2 reasons. First, it holds you accountable and positions you as an expert in your niche. Second, it creates another powerful income stream. By sharing your journey, I built a community and a coaching business that not only generate revenue, but allow me to make a bigger impact. Don't wait until you are a millionaire to start. Start now. Share what you're learning about your first deal. Share your why. Your story is the most valuable asset. Teaching what you know is the ultimate way to multiply your success, because it forces you to become a true master of your craft. Step number 5, invest in yourself and keep scaling. Your first property is bought. Your brand is growing. This is where most people get comfortable and coast. To get to the million and beyond, you have to fight that instant. The final step is to aggressively reinvest, not just in more properties, but in yourself. The money you make from your coaching or your rental income should go toward a higher level mastermind, a financial conference, or a health coach who can give you the energy to keep going. Your personal growth is the ceiling on your financial growth. And then you scale. You take the BART's method and apply it to bigger multifamily deals or other real estate assets. You hire an operations manager for your business. You stop being the person doing all the things and become the visionary who directs all the things. This is the final shift from being the self-employed to being a true business owner and an investor. So that is the blueprint: vision, real estate, leverage, brand, and scale. It's an aggressive plan, but making your first million in today's world requires consistent, intelligent actions. You have the roadmap. The only thing separates you from the woman who achieves this is the decision to start. I have created a free $1 million blueprint checklist for you to download. It breaks down these 5 steps so you can take action today. The link is in the description below, so make sure you click and get it. And my question for you is, which of these 5 steps do you need to focus on right now? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Now go build the life you envisioned. I will see you in the next video. Ciao.